Do you spend too much time doing the same tasks over and over again? What if you could save time and effort by automating those tasks? And you don't even need to know coding. In this video, you will learn how to automate repetitive work easily and quickly, without writing a single line of code. Step 1. Understand what you want to automate. First, think about the tasks you do every day that take a lot of time but are simple and repetitive. For example, sending reminder emails, organizing files, copying data between apps, or posting on social media. Make a list of these tasks. Pick one task that happens regularly and takes up your time. Step 2. Use automation tools that require no coding. There are many free or paid tools available that help automate tasks without coding. Some popular ones are Zapier, IFTTT, If This Then That, Microsoft Power, Automate Integromat, now called Make. These tools work by connecting your favorite apps and services. For example, you can connect your email, calendar, cloud storage, and messaging apps. Step 3. Create simple automation rules. In these tools, you create rules that say, if this happens, then do that. For example, if you get a new email from your boss, save the attachment to Google Drive automatically. When you post a new photo on Instagram, share it automatically on Facebook. When a new event is added to your calendar, send yourself a reminder via SMS. You do this by selecting triggers and actions in the automation app. Step 4. Try a real example. Let's try a simple automation using Zapier. Open Zapier and sign up for a free account. Choose a trigger app like Gmail. Set the trigger event, for example, new email matching search. Choose an action app like Google Sheets. Set the action, for example, add row to spreadsheet. Now, every time you get an email with a specific word or from a certain person, Zapier will automatically add the email details to your Google Sheets. This saves you from copying and pasting manually. Step 5. Test and adjust your automation. After setting up your automation, always test it to make sure it works correctly. You can make changes anytime if you want the automation to work differently or include more tasks. Step 6. Explore. More automation ideas. Automation is not just for work. You can automate saving social media posts you like, backing up photos automatically, getting daily weather notifications, organizing your contacts and calendar. The more you explore, the more time you save. Summary. Automating repetitive tasks saves you time and energy. You don't need to learn programming or coding to do it. Use tools like Zapier or IFTTT, set up simple rules, and let technology handle the boring stuff. Start small and build your automation skills step by step.